Someone asked me, or yes, they asked me, why are you so peaceful, so pleasant? Of course, I couldn't. We were in the grocery store, so of course we couldn't sit down and have a deep chat about this. But in short, I said, I don't take my mind too seriously. Ultimately meaning that I've acquired the ability to step out of the stream of thinking when it's unnecessary. Thank you. Whenever you take the time to recognize that inner aliveness within yourself, try it when you're doing things. And taking steps across the room, doing things out in public. Recognize that inner awareness, that inner aliveness, that essentially you are. Someone asked me, or yes, they asked me, why are you so peaceful, so pleasant? Of course, I couldn't. We were in the grocery store, so of course we couldn't sit down and have a deep chat about this. But in short, I said, I don't take my mind too seriously. Ultimately meaning that I've acquired the ability to step out of the stream of thinking when it's unnecessary. Like now, as you're listening to me or watching this video, no thinking is really required. So here I invite you to rest in that beingness that you are, that inner aliveness. If you haven't realized how to immediately step out of the stream of thinking, you can use the anchors that we talked about, shifting your attention to your breathing, 1 or 2 conscious breaths, meaning that you actually because the breathing, it's almost automatic. The body takes care of that. If we had to remember to breathe, we'll be gone. So a conscious breath means that your attention is actually in the breathing. Practice it listening to people when they talk to you. Like when the lady was talking to me, there was absolute stillness, awareness. And that's what she was talking about. And I even told her some people don't notice. So thank you. Most people are usually in the stream of thinking. You can see it on their face. But occasionally, some people may notice it within you, how you walk around and do things just like they're doing, but there's a certain sense of ease to it, flowing through you. So occasionally, practice that inner state of being, practice it while doing things. It's good to start with maybe something simple. Human beings trying it it's very difficult trying it. You can sense that they're judging you. What is this? They ask questions like, are you okay? Because you're not very reactive like everyone else. So practice with a plant, have on your desk, or just look at the sky for a period of time. Look around the room. Become aware of your sense perceptions. You're listening. And this can help deepen, so to speak, that state of being within you, because I've had people say that they can do it, they can be that stillness, that presence, but then they lose it. So just like a muscle in your body, if you want it to get stronger, you have to practice awareness for it to get deeper. And we'll meet again soon. Thank you.